Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this pretty bow headband. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. It motivates me to keep making videos. To make this headband, it's better to use a stretchy fabric, and I really love this fabric because of the texture. I don't know the name of this fabric, but it was written as stretch jacquard on the product description. I pre-cut my fabric, and remember, when you're working with fabric, the direction of your fabric is really important. And here you can see the selvedge or the edge of the fabric will be the width, which is 6 inches, and the length is head circumference plus 9 inches. So let's get started. Measure your fabric by 5 inches and cut. This will be the bow. And measure 3 inches and cut, and this will be the loop or the center of our bow. So we will have 3 pieces of fabric like this. Now to prepare the sewing, take our loop and fold it in half, and we will sew this part. Now take our bow and fold it in half, and we will sew this one. And for our headband, fold it in half, and we will sew here with a knit stitch. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. To sew the loop and the bow, just use a regular stitch. But to sew the headband, we cannot use regular stitch. We have to use knit stitch, and this is knit stitch on my sewing machine. If you don't have this pattern on your sewing machine, you can just use a regular zigzag stitch. Now let's get to the sewing. I will start with the bow, and we just use a regular stitch. And the loop. And the last one, we sew this headband with knit stitch. This is to let the fabric stretch without fear of popping a seam. You can see my knit stitch. And regular stitch on the bow, and the loop. Cut the corner of your bow, and be careful not to cut through the thread. And cut the center to let us turn the fabric. like this. Now turn all fabrics inside out. Fold our headband with the wrong sides together like this. And sew this part. Cut the excess fabric and we will cover this later. Take the bow and we will cover the hole with our headband. Fold it in half to determine the center. Put this right in the middle of our headband. When you attach them together, make sure to open this side. And we sew right in the middle. It's done. And you can see this and here. Now pinch the bow. Like this and hand stitch to hold the bow. Take the loop and this will be the center of our bow. With the right sides together, we will sew this. I have sewed this and cut the excess fabric. Our headband is almost done. Now turn the loop. Stretch fabric is quite easy to turn. Slide the loop through the bow. Add just a little. I like to give this a little pinch. And our headband is done. I really love this headband because it's really timeless. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.